Hello my friends, welcome to the jungle. This is my Hubsan H502E and I decided to hack it apart, which proved to be a little bit more difficult than
Some
expected.
super soft screws which I've already stripped. Maybe still usable. Piece of art. Now, let's do the same to this one.
After I had it open, I soldered some pigtails to the board to connect motors with 8 cm wires and plugs, and then replaced these funny plastic bushings with proper ball bearings. You can get the ball bearings are used at the Boca bearings, B-O-C-A. They're the sealed Latrux alias bearings. The standard ones, don't need the ceramic ones. Let's see if it flies any different. Well, seems to be a little peppier. Not that much, but yeah, a little bit quicker, I'd say. What was that? That was kind of weird. I moved the stick, but nothing happened. Well, seems fine now. Let's fly around some more. Oops, that was a solid hit. Yeah, I noticed when I drop the throttle, it doesn't stop spinning the props immediately. Damn. Again, I couldn't drop the throttle, so it keeps going after I crashed. Gnar. Yeah, that was a substantial hit. Turned itself off immediately on the first impact, quicker than I could react. Let's see if it's still working. I might be better off going fly somewhere else. Oh no! It's in the tree. Who would have thought? I'm sorry the camera lens starts to fog up. It's conditions like in a sauna down here. A little bit more space down here. Let me try to fly this thing as hard as I can. Let's see if something interesting is happening. What's that? It's just, it didn't want to come back. I pushed the pitch stick forward, but it didn't want to do it anymore. That was weird. Let's see if I can make it happen again. Seems to do well now. But yeah, it feels to me, oh, there was again. Kind of disconnects from the transmitter, that's how it feels. Let me see. Take the, do it again. Seems to work fine now. I'm not sure if there was a pilot mistake or if it cut out there. Sorry, Fern. Come on. Oops. Into the mud. Oh, oops. Yeah, that didn't do him well. I think some of the calibration was off. Try this again. Seems good now. Off you go, buddy. I will try to capture the strange control issues by holding the transmitter into the camera. Seems to do alright now, but yeah, it does for most of the time. But then sometimes it's just glitching and not doing anything. Let's see. There it is, nothing goes. I throttled down and gave it full stick in the other direction. Nothing happened, just kept going until it smacked into something. Again, doesn't react. What the heck, chicken? What are you doing? I apologize, I quickly have to go over there and have to command the chicken to go back.
Bockety bockety bock.
Again, nothing happens. Just doesn't react whatsoever and just keeps going into the direction it was heading. That sucks. Well, even if I didn't enjoy flying this thing too much, I think the motor test has been successful. These motors here work as good, if not a little better than the stock motors. I have quite a few of them here. I also do have these wrong polarity connector thingies, which you can cut up and use as a pigtail to make connectors to the flight controller. I want to find out if these motors last longer than the stock motors in the H502E. So if you have one, you can click the link in the video description and score yourself a Pioneers set at a bargain, shipped straight out of the jungle, as long as stock lasts.